Welcome to KROHNE, Czech Republic. Welcome to Brno. As a member of KROHNE Group, we sell KROHNE products and solutions and provide services and customized maintenance support, such as a flexible and efficient solution for calibrating flow meters and water meters on site with our mobile calibration rig. Our experienced technicians will propose a calibration suitable to your needs and come to your place with the complete equipment required. This saves your time and transportation costs. Mass flow meters are used as standard. Subject to their annual verification by the Czech authority in Brno, the mobile rig is approved for verification of water meters and flow meters used for custody transfer. Simple installation in pipes with pneumatic clamp. Electromagnetic flow meters of flanged and sandwich types are suitable for our rig. The Czech authority in Brno verifies the rig with a functional test every 2 years. Ultrasonic flow meters, both stationary inline and portable or stationary clamp-on, can be calibrated. Verification on the rig is done with water, via the volumetric method with flying and fixed starts. Vortex flow meters in flanged and sandwich designs can also be calibrated with our rig. The diagnostic capabilities of our instruments and OptiCheck tool can also be presented during the calibration. And finally, for variable area flow meters H250, the mobile rig needs to be adjusted with a quick pneumatic clamp. A brief overview. The mobile calibration rig enables the calibration of mass, electromagnetic, ultrasonic, vortex and variable area flow meters. If your meter meets the allowable margins for error and uncertainty, here is your calibration certificate. Book our mobile calibration service and ensure minimum downtime and maximum reliability, keeping your flow meters performing at their best.